They have this warped idea in their head that they boost themselves up by standing on top of the people that they're supposed to love. Navigating through family relationships can be challenging, especially when dealing with a narcissistic individual. As a Georgia divorce attorney, I am constantly coming across cases where my clients and their kids are victims of narcissistic abuse from the other spouse and the parent. The person who should be treating them most wonderfully ends up being the one doing the most harm. Identifying these signs early on is critical and crucial for understanding the dynamics at play and providing the necessary support, especially to your kids. Let's break down some of the common signs of narcissistic abuse and discuss some practical strategies for dealing with it, okay? So first thing, constant need for validation. This is one of the telltale signs of a narcissist. They have this insatiable need for validation, and individuals with narcissistic tendencies often crave constant admiration or reassurance because they are so weak and broken inside. So in a domestic relationship, whether you're married or whether you're just dating, this might manifest itself as a partner who consistently seeks praise and attention and is frequently undermining the achievements and feelings of others. They have this warped idea in their head that they boost themselves up by standing on top of the people that they're supposed to love. So how do you deal with this? Establish firm boundaries and stand strong. Narcissists love to dominate, so don't let them. Don't give them excessive validation either. That's not going to solve the problem. Okay, characteristic number 2, manipulative behavior. Narcissists are adept at manipulation. They often use subtle tactics to control and influence those around them, and they play mind games and they distort reality. So how do you deal with that? Well, trust your instincts, okay? Document all the instances of manipulation and maintain clear and very firm communication. And to the extent that you can, create a unified front against the manipulation with others who are also being victimized by the narcissist. So characteristic 3 of the narcissist is that they lack empathy. Narcissists usually have very, very little empathy. They can't see past themselves. So they tend to completely disregard the feelings and the needs of other people, and they only focus on their own desires. Okay, so how do you deal with that? Well, develop a support system outside of the family. Get therapy or counseling, and spend time with those who can provide an outlet for processing your emotions and building resilience. Okay. Characteristic number 4, the narcissist. They gaslight. Narcissists use gaslighting as a psychological tool, an abusive tactic to make the victim doubt their own perceptions of reality. This is really ugly stuff. How do you deal with that? Well, trust your own experiences and your feelings. Document them. Build a support network of friends and family who can provide validation and clarity that you're not crazy. It's them, not you. Characteristic number 5 of the narcissist is that they have extreme control issues. So narcissists often seek to control every aspect of their environment, especially family dynamics. They will try to dictate how you should think, feel, and behave about everything and make you feel completely powerless and suffocating. How do you deal with that? Well, establish firm personal boundaries and assert your independence. Get therapy to help you summon the strength to stand up to the narcissist and regain your sense of independence. So characteristic 6 of a narcissist, intense reactions to criticism. Narcissists have a really fragile sense of self-esteem because they are weak, very broken people inside, and they mask it through the behaviors that are characteristic of narcissism, the ones I've just talked about in this video. So any criticism can trigger intense and defensive reactions that are way out of proportion. How do you deal with that? Well, the best way to deal with this is to make I statements to express your feelings rather than making you statements, which will be seen as direct accusations of them. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on the alerts so that you'll get notified when we post our newest videos. Please share these videos and leave us some comments, ask us questions, tell us what other topics you'd like for me to talk about. Join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody for more info. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on the next video.